Here in the Big Country, 2 boats were dedicated to fallen DPS officers at Lake Brownwood Friday morning as family and friends of the 2 men gathered at the memorial as the boats were unveiled with the troopers' names on them. KTAB's Manny Diaz is at Lake Brownwood and has their story.
To serve and protect is never forgotten.
Well, today was a special moment for Texas DPS and family members of the agency as 2 former troopers, Sergeant William Carl Cassee and Jonathan Thomas McDonald, were memorialized, honored, if you will, in the dedication of 2 boats that eventually made their way onto the waters here at Lake Brownwood. Nevertheless, the term that was used today was immortalized in honoring the 2 gentlemen who passed while serving in the line of duty, McDonald up in Garza County near Lubbock and Cassee in Mills County near Goldthwaite. Overall, Sergeant Mark Couch of DPS shared words about this ceremony.
What's the price that you could pay for someone's life where they give it to a service like law enforcement or for the case of freedom in our country? And so once again, this is just a small thing that we can do to try to memorialize and or try to give back to that family member who's lost so much by just putting a name on a boat for our folks that we never forget and always remember.
The dedication of these boats serves as a testament to their selflessness and the sacrifice of their loved ones, reminding us that their commitment to protecting and serving others was unwavering until their last moments.
He died out in Goldthwaite, which that's where I'm stationed now, so I get to see his roadside memorial every day. I can talk to him every day if I want to. I can just pull up beside him and have a conversation with him. But no, it's an honor. I'm glad they accepted me, and I'm glad I get to enjoy everything he enjoyed with the department.
And I think it is very special to our family to know that his sacrifice will not be forgotten. And it's good for my daughter to know that because she was so little when he was killed. She was only 6 months old. And so she doesn't remember all of the memorials. So for her to remember them now and to be a part of that now at 13 is really neat.
Meanwhile, you're probably asking what's next for these 2 boats that were dedicated to troopers Cassee and McDonald. Well, they're headed down to the Texas Rio Grande Valley, where there'll be 2 of 8 boats of the Texas DPS fleet. Reporting from Lake Brownwood, for coverage you can count on, I'm Manny Diaz, KTAB News.
The boats will be stationed on the border to combat drug smuggling and illegal immigrants from crossing over. Sergeant Cassee's son adding that when he goes to the border, it will be an honor to jump on his dad's boat and help out.